Monday, July 10th. Whew. I want to tell you about two new books that I got in that are great for refreshers, reminders of how to knit and how to crochet, or it's techniques and tips for all levels of skill from beginner to advanced. So these would be helpful books no matter who or where you are in your knitting skills. They're beautifully illustrated and lots of good information. So this is the Knitting Know-How book. All the knitting skills you need in one book. Every basic stitch and skill is explained, as well as more advanced techniques. Keep it by your side as you knit so you can quickly check an unfamiliar term or techniques in your pattern. All right. And then the Crochet Know-How book. All the crochet skills you need in one book. Basic stitches and skills are explained in full, as well as more advanced techniques. Keep crochet know-how on hand to check any unfamiliar terms or techniques in your pattern. Both books, $16.99. Great gift for yourself or for a new knitter or crocheter. Can't hurt. Good to have next to you. All right. Tomorrow, Amazon Prime is doing their thing on Tuesday and Wednesday. So Bella Filati, we're doing our thing, and my email went out today. So all my semi-annual clearance sale items tomorrow and Wednesday will be an additional 10% off. 2 days only, okay? So if it's 25, it's going to be 35. If it's 50, it's going to be 60. If it's 75, it's 85, right? So that's my Amazon Prime has nothing on us. And then on Wednesday, it is the first day of the Central Carolina Yarn Crawl, and we are part of it. We are the furthest south. So it's up in Burlington and High Point and Greensboro and Siler City and Seagrove, and then us. So lots of stores. I think there's 9 different stores. A new one was added this year. So it'll be great. And we've added an extra day. So it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday hours 12 to 4. I'm usually not open on Sunday. So you have 5 days to make all 9 stores. There's a passport. And when you go to the store, you get your passport stamped. And if you visit all 9 stores, you are entered into the grand prize drawing for the big basket, which actually will be on display at the Twin Birch studio in Siler City. And in addition to that, every store will have their own prize basket. So if you are in our store, if you shop with us, you will be entered into that drawing when you fill out your little raffle card. So lots to do when you get here. Think about it. Get a friend, get a buddy, have fun, travel around, go get lunch. It'll be fun. It's always fun to look at different shops. So that starts Wednesday, Central Carolina Yarn Crawl, all the way through Sunday. And what else? Oh, Saturday in Southern Pines is a sidewalk sale. What? There is so much going on. Lots happening. So don't miss it. All right. I will see you tomorrow.